The topic for today is how to remove the AutoCAD student plot stamp from an AutoCAD file. Let's open one AutoCAD file. Here you can see the file was previously saved in AutoCAD student version. As a result, plot stamps from the AutoCAD student version appear when the drawing is opened in the commercial version. So, how do I get rid of it? Click Open. Click in the upper left-hand corner. Click on the arrow side of Save As. Click on the drawing. Click on Files of Type. Select any version of AutoCAD DXF. Navigate to the file location. Rename the file. Click Save. Open the saved file location. As you can see, the file format has been changed to DXF. Let's go to AutoCAD. Click Close. Click No. Double-click on the DXF file. Select AutoCAD and click OK. Sometime after this read-only confirmation may appear. Click Yes. Again, click in the upper left corner. Click the arrow next to the Save As button. Click on the drawing. Select Files of Type DWG. Rename the file. Click Save. Click Close. Now here, you can see the file has been converted to a DWG file. Double-click to open the file. You can see now that no student stamp warning is appearing. So in this process, you can remove the student plot stamp from any AutoCAD file. Like, subscribe, and share our videos for more interesting topics.